Hi, my name is Krishant and today we are going to be making 2 origami projects. So first we are going to be making a gift box with the bottom and the lid. And then we're going to be making Santa Claus. If you do it with a smaller piece of paper, you can make an elf. So let's start with the cube. The gift box. So we need 2 papers, and we'll need one for the bottom and one for the top. We'll start off with the bottom, and so I want blue to be on the outside. So I make blue down, so then it's going to be on the outside. Now we can start off by folding it like this in half and exactly like that. And then we can open it up and fold it on the other half. So now our paper should look like this. So here we need to bring each corner to the center of the paper and crease it. Exactly like that. And now do it for all 4 corners. There. So, like I said, we want the color on the bottom. So see, I picked blue, so now the blue is completely on top. So take the right and the left bows off, and then, and before that, we will have to take the bottom and then fold it all the way to the center and do the same thing for the other side. Like this. Then we can unfold it and then do the same thing for the other 2 sides, exactly to the center. And then open it up. Now we're going to be taking out these 2 sides. And then we're going to be repeating this fold that we did over here. And on the other side. And now here comes the hardest step. We have to take these 2 edges and wait a second. We'll keep it like this, so then it's standing up, and then if you face it to the side, then you'll see this triangle over here, right? Then we can take this line over here and the same thing on the other side, there's a line. And then we push them both together. And then the side will start coming up. And then you can fold it down. And then one side's ready. Do the same thing for the other side. Like this. You have to stay down right now. There. Now we do it like that. We've got our box. Now we are going to be doing the first few steps the same exact way for this piece, for the top, but there's one different step that makes it fit on top instead of being the same size. There. Now comes the different step. We still fold it up over here, but not to the center. We go a little bit away from the center. So then it's like this. See, it's only up to here and not up to the center. So for the other 4 sides, make it close, but not to the center. Like that, and turn it over, turn it, and then fold it like that, and then fold it like that. You want to try keeping the same distance from the center, so then it's exactly on the sides. But it's okay if it comes a little rectangle. Then we open these 2 sides up, make these 2 sides stand, and now the tricky step. Open it up. It looks like there's no difference in size, but this one is actually, the side that I'm doing right now is actually a little bigger than this one. That's why it fits right on top, like that. So now we've got our box, and we can move on to Santa Claus. Here are the boxes. Close, please. Okay. So Santa Claus is a little easier than the box. So you first fold it diagonally, like this. Okay, then we open it up, and then we'll have a crease in the center. So we take this and kind of do like an airplane fold, like this. So we take this corner, and then we bring it up, so then the side is aligned to the center. And then you can crease it. And do the same thing for the other side. There. So now we bring this bottom corner up, and then we bring it to the tippy top. And then we can flip it over. And then if you're doing the right steps, then it should look like this. And then you can flip it to the back again. And then take the top and bring it to the bottom edge. So then it looks kind of like a boat. Now we're almost done. We can bring this all the way back and fold it. And this side is going to be folded back too. And then we can bring these two folds up. And then we do one last fold over here. Like that. So what I basically did was I took this and folded it like that. And then we can do these two folds again. And we do these two folds so then it's like a stand on the back. And you have to make them tight for him to stand up. And there. Now he'll stand like this. So I think he's missing just a few things. So no more folding. Oh, Santa Claus needs his eyes and mouth. Okay, let's draw those. Ugh. Ugh, fine. And here we draw his eyes. 2 eyes, eyebrows, and a very happy mouth. Now we've got a Santa Claus. These two Santa Clauses are going to deliver their presents. Bye! See you in my next video. Please make to subscribe if you like this. Check out more videos in my YouTube channel.